In this video, I'm going to run through the audio and the audio library as well as using the waveform on your videos. So first of all, if you go to the left-hand sidebar and you click on the audio icon, you'll be able to see a whole bunch of audio tracks, and depending on the plan that you have, you'll have a certain amount of tracks. On the main Create software, you have 30 standard tracks, and then if you purchase the Pro upgrade, you will see over 300 tracks in different categories. So what I'm going to do is just go over to some of these other tracks. I'm going to grab this one here, and you can preview the tracks by simply clicking on the play button and then selecting the one you want and just simply dragging it over onto your timeline. Okay, so when you add it to the timeline, you'll be able to see the waveform of your audio, and you can go through and preview this. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is just cut it there and delete that part and just zoom in a little bit more so I can see it a bit better. And you'll be able to see the waveform here. So at certain parts where the beat is louder, you'll be able to see that the audio waveform goes higher so that we can see where we can actually match up our text. So let's just go through over here. Cool. So what I'm going to do is show you a quick technique in terms of creating typography with your audio. So what I'm going to do is just add some text, and I'm just going to call this one, first of all, create, like that. And I'll just position this in the middle, like so. And I'm just going to drag this, this text over here and bring it to the start. And what I'm going to do is at the points where the audio is raised, I'm going to actually cut it so that the text can change when the beat is kind of changing, I guess. So let's just bring it up there. I'm going to bring it over here where you can see where it gets louder. So I'm just going to cut that. And again, it gets louder here. I'll cut it there. Also here. And again, finally at the end. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is change this text. Let's say create amazing videos inside create by, listen to that, Vidello. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this up here, and you're about to see that it's kind of changing in time. And what I'm also going to do is, I'll just preview this so you can see it. Cool. So you can see how that works. I'm going to go and add a shape, and what I'm going to do is just bring the shape up, and I'm just going to cut it so it's a little bit smaller, and I'm going to drag this down. Actually, I'll drag it up to the top over here. Whoops. Bring it over here to the videos part. Actually, what I'm going to do is bring this down and bring this underneath it so that you can see the shape. And I'm going to bring the shape, I'm going to make it a blue color, something like that. And this just adds a little bit more effect to the video, so it's not just black and white text. But you see it says create amazing. Maybe we'll make the text a little bigger as well. And again, I'll center that. So this is just a quick demo of how you can create these kind of text videos that match up with the beat, and I'll just preview this for you. Like that. So it's really that easy. I'll have some more tutorials showing you some better effects I think that you can do with this kind of styled audio and text matchup. But that's how you can use audio and the waveform to create cool looking videos using really simple cuts with your audio. So check that out, try it yourself, and yeah, go on to the next video and I'll show you some more things inside of Create.